SecureHorizons Medicare Resource Center in Alhambra recently opened its doors to the public. The center focuses on the medical needs of the Chinese American community. With me today is Jerry Fong. Thanks for going on camera with me, Jerry.
Hey, you're welcome.
All right. So tell us a little bit about the center, how it came to be, and what services y'all provide.
Well, we modeled the center after our New York office. We're one of the few offices that are available so that people can walk in if they have questions, if they received letters that they don't understand, they can bring that in and speak to us, and we have consultants that can help them with what they need.
Okay, so now this is for the Chinese American community, or?
Well, we're in the Chinese community, but we're there to service everybody. So anybody.
So if I were to walk in, then then so anybody can come in and you'll still answer their questions.
Of course, you won't be qualified for Medicare yet, but maybe your parent or your grandparent.
You're right. Thank you. Yeah. Now some might wonder. I'm wondering if there was any kind of specific incident that made you say, let's have the center in the San Gabriel Valley. Like, why did you choose to have the center here?
It's just a central point and where everybody can get to. We're on the intersection of Valley and Garfield, so it's a straight shot down for people in Pasadena, but we're just right in the center of everything, and I think it's just easy for people to get to, bus routes and so on.
Now there's a deadline coming up. Can you explain that?
Yes, tomorrow, March 31st, is the deadline for the open enrollment period for people with Medicare. The open enrollment period was built for people to take a look at what they have with their current Medicare coverage, and if something is not right, if they're not getting certain coverage, then at this time they can make a change to another plan. And so tomorrow would be the deadline for them to change.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about, I know you guys have talked about cost savings for seniors. So what kind of cost savings are you talking about here?
Yeah, there are some Medicare-sponsored programs that if you're below certain income levels and certain asset tests, and if you fall within these ranges, Medicare can provide up to $1,000 savings per year. And additionally, you can also get low costs for prescription medicines too. So there are different programs that you can apply for, and we at SecureHorizons can help you apply for these kind of programs. It
kind of sounds like, you know, how you do taxes. Sometimes you don't know of all the deductions that you can take unless you take it to a specialist, and I wonder if that analogy kind of applies here.
No, you're absolutely right. There are just a lot of programs and savings that people can apply for if they knew that they were there.
So, and that's why they can go to you guys. You're the experts over there.
That's
and you can dig out some of those things and help them that way. Okay. Let's talk about the staff there. How are they specialized?
The staff there are licensed insurance agents, and we are there. You can walk in, you can call for an appointment, and we'll be glad to sit down with anybody. And you know, like for yourself, if you came in and you had a question about your mom's insurance, for example, and what kind of coverage she might have, we can sit down with you and go over things, help her apply for Medicare and answer any kind of questions like that.
Okay, that sounds good. Now I know we have some information about you guys on our blog, on the Crown City News blog. So we have that information up there on how people can reach you. But why don't you give us an idea of phone number, website? That
Sure. Phone number, you can call us 800-382-9176, and like I said, we're in the corner of Garfield and Valley Boulevard in Alhambra.
Okay, very good. So that number again, 800-382-9176. Thank you so much for going on camera with me, Jerry.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.